Hello and welcome to our one-bedroom standard at Portage Road. Right off the main entrance, you have a beautiful foyer with a large closet and area perfect for a shoe rack. It opens up to your living area here, perfect for a sectional couch, as well as a work-at-home area. In this living area, you have a large amount of natural light coming from these windows. As you can see, it's mid-afternoon and you're still getting a ton of light in here. And right off the living area, you have your dining area, which is perfect for a 4 to 6 person table. Wonderful for entertaining because right next to it, you have your beautifully finished galley kitchen with everything within arm's reach. You have a double stainless steel sink, nice countertop, as well as electric stove and relatively new fridge. And right over here, going through that hallway, you just got a sneak peek up from the living room and dining room area. You have the area headed towards your bedrooms. Back here, you have a washroom with a beautiful shower tub combo and a lot of natural light, as you can see. You have a vanity sink and mirror included. You have a linens closet, perfect for all your odds and ends, as well as towels and sheets. That's right next to your bedroom. That's perfect to fit a queen size combo. And obviously, as you can see, you can easily fit bedside tables as well as chest of drawers in this wonderfully lit master bedroom. And you have a double-sized closet, perfect for all your seasonal clothing as well as daily wear. This unit's available at our Portage Road location, which is just seconds by walking to the most well-crafted area in Niagara, where all your necessities are within minutes, if not paces, of the building. So there's never a need to travel far if you're restricted. I hope you have a fantastic day. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at panoramicproperties.ca or call us at 905-371-1201. We look forward to having you a part of our family. Thank you.